Next, let's fix this. So we have our black, we have our matting paste, slow thinner because it's hot, and we're done. So let's make a matte finish, and if it's too flat, then we'll add more base to make it a bit satin. Why is this messy? So if it's a matte, it's a 1-1-1 mixture and 0.5 hardener. So it's a 1-1-1-1-5. Now let's test spray it. We won't be able to get it 100%, but hopefully in the ballpark where we can mask that scratch. So let's add a bit more, just a little bit of thinner, so it will flash off. So we will slightly increase the pressure so it will fade out.